Okay, YouTube, I locked my keys in this car. It's a 2005 Honda Accord, and I'm going to show you how to break into the car for less than $5. So what I did was I got another car, and I just left this one here. It's at a gas station. Went to Walmart because I couldn't find my breakout tools, and I got this long stake. It cost like $1. And then I got toaster forks. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this to give us some space to put this in and unlock it. You're also gonna need a screwdriver or just something to pry open the door or the window, a flathead screwdriver, and I got that right here. So those are the tools you'll need. This usually works on most cars, so I think it should work on yours. So what we're going to do first is we're going to take this apart and make it so it's longer. What you want to do is just make this into one long line. So you're going to untangle it here, untangle it here. Okay, so I bent the end of this like that. That way you'll have more power when you're trying to hit the unlock button or you know, whatever you're trying to do. In this case, I'm probably just going to hit the unlock button. It's probably the easiest way to do it. If your car has no power, you can go and make a kind of hook and then bring it over here and pop the hood, and then from there you can put a battery and charge your battery or jump it and unlock it the regular way. Also, you can flip this that way or this way depending on how your car is. Found that to be pretty hard to do sometimes, depending on the car. Sometimes it's the easier way to do it, and then some cars also, if you put it in right here, it'll open. Best bet though is to just go in and hit this unlock button if you have power. If you don't have power, see if you can open the hood and jump your car and then try to get that. So I'll show you how to do it. Okay guys, so here's what we use. You need some kind of wedge to hold the door open or the window open while you're fishing with this to get the lock. So this is just what I made. Ideally you'd want like maybe a door stopper would be really good, a hard plastic wedge, that way it doesn't break. Then you need a fisher kind of thing that'll go down there and unlock it. What I did with this is I bent it around and then I cut off a little piece of this because it's no slip rubber, and I wrapped it around there. When you're pushing down on it, it's not going to slide off. Instead, it's going to make contact and give you a lot more leverage when you're pushing down. So first what we're going to do is we're going to use this, and if you really want to, you can get a piece of cardboard, stick it right here, so when you're doing this it doesn't damage the paint. I'm not too worried about this thing because I mean the paint's already pretty damaged. So you pull it out like that. From there you're going to stick this into the crack. Okay, now that we got that in the crack, what we want to do is we want to move this as far this way as we can. So how I'm going to do that is I'm going to use the screwdriver right here to open a little more space, and then just slowly move this to the side. So okay, go do it again. Okay, so that gives me some space to work with. So next you want to bend probably at like a 60-degree angle. I'm going to stick it down there. Okay, so see, I'm gonna go to the lock. The hardest part is probably lining it up. So once you get it lined up, push down, unlocked it, and that unlocks it. So what you're wanting to do is when you come down like this, you're gonna put it right there, just give it a push. So another thing you can do, if you make a hook with this end, you can slip it in here and kind of open it like this. Some cars will enable you to unlock the door by doing that, some won't. So just kind of make sure which one your car is. Another thing, if your battery is dead, you're gonna have to open the trunk. That's gonna be really hard with this type of trunk latch. The easier ones are where they're right here, but you're gonna have to do that hook again, bring it right here, and then just pull it out, kind of like this. Or like this, and then pull it out. So from there, you just put a battery pack on the battery, or charge the battery, or swap the battery out, and then just do the window way by getting the door open a little bit. So all in all, I mean, you can probably find these tools around your house for free, or you can go to Walmart and get them for $3 or less. The thing you want to look for with this tool is that it's thicker. I would actually recommend getting this marshmallow cooker stick rather than a clothes hanger, because the clothes hangers are a lot more flimsy. So this is pretty thick. If you can get something thicker, that's better. You can buy a kit that's about 50 bucks that includes a really thick one, you know, and a hard plastic wedge, and then some other stuff, and that's probably the best bet. But if you're on a budget and you don't know where to find one of those, or if you're in a hurry, this will get the job done, and it's less than $3. Hopefully this video helped you. The number one thing to do is just not to leave your keys in the car, but if you are like me and you do that a lot, then that's good to have. If you have any questions, leave some comments, and thanks for watching.